Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Nissan Tiida, stock reference number 5799. The shape ran from 09 to 2000, from 2004 to 01 2013. It has an MR18 4-cylinder 1.5 litre petrol engine backed by an auto front-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our MR18 4-cylinder 1.5 litre petrol engine. Left-hand headlight, left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Left front guard, 1 dent. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, 1 dent. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 15-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, no dents. Right front wheel, steel, 15-inch. Good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Gear stick. Heater controls. Single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. Right hand sun visor. Tidy vinyl 3-spoke steering wheel with cruise control.